Lug Nuts, it's me, Meredith, with another bag that I'm reviewing, and this one is called the Tugboat by Lug. It's a different look because it's more of an east-west duffel than it is some of their other bags, which they tend to be north-south or different ways, but I do think this bag has a really unique spot in your collection. You can see that it's got the smart pockets all the way around on the front. Well, first, this is the heather gray coloring, a beautiful coloring. It's one of my favorites. And then they have this star quilting pattern, which I don't mind. I like it. I think it's kind of young and youthful. You've got your signature phone pocket here. It has a magnet closure, so that helps your phone stay put. Two pockets here. These both have magnet closures, and they both are pretty deep. They go to, right here's my finger, about here on both sides. So they do have some width to them. I'm not quite sure they would hold a water bottle for you though. On both sides you have this side pocket. These are little ones. They go right to here. Same on the opposite side. See there. And then on the back, you've got, this is magneted shut. There's a mirror here. And then on this pocket you have, I'll put it this way, a zipper pocket. And then there is a little extra pocket here dividing the space into two. One of the downsides of this bag though is that there is not a place for you to put it on your roller luggage. And you know, it makes sense that they should just put a sleeve right here behind this pocket. They could have easily have done that, but they chose not to with this bag. So it's interesting, and it's something to keep in mind if you're going to take it through the airport and it's something heavy. You might just have to balance it on or do it the old-fashioned way. Before you had those where you take the straps and kind of, you know, put those over top of the roller luggage. This bag has the tote straps. They have the non-slip grip, you can see. And when you open it up and reveal the interior, this is what makes the bag really cool. It has dividers. These dividers, maybe I'll open it up like this. Just make it so that everything stays neat and orderly and it doesn't go sloshing around the whole bag. The dividers are removable, so you can easily just take them out. They're Velcroed in. Both sides, just slips right out. The Velcro has the rougher side on the divider, so when it's out, you only are left with the soft side on the inside. It does have these clear view pockets, 3 of them on each side. On the back here, there is a privacy pocket for you to see. There's on the side a key bungee so that you can stick your keys in and still get them. And on this side, right in the corner, it's almost easy to miss. They blend right in. There's 2 little pen holders. So you can take out, you can use it with just one divider, you can use it with no dividers, and then you just have a big open cavern. And when both dividers are out, you are able to lift up the bottom and store it flat. So it doesn't have to take up a ton of space. When the dividers are in it, it stands up really strong. And even when the dividers are not, look at this. It does, it stands up really nicely. It's not all loosey-goosey. It doesn't just come down to nothing. So I'm excited to use this bag. It's smaller than I thought it would be and bigger than I thought it would be. It kind of is an interesting size. It's too small for me to take just for myself for a weekend. It's too big for me to use as like a diaper bag or as like a camera bag. I'm thinking that it will be a good size for when my daughter goes overnight to somewhere like my grandparents' house and I pack her bag. Because of the clear view pockets, they're able to see what I packed for her and they aren't hunting around looking for the toothbrush somewhere in, you know, in all these pockets or anything like that. So I'll let you know how it goes, but feel free to ask me any questions or comments. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.